Different starting methods are used for starting an induction motor. The simplest method to start a motor is the direct on-line. When starting direct on-line, the motor has maximum start current and maximum start torque. The supply line may experience voltage drop when starting a motor. If the motor is not a high-power one, it does not affect the supply. The direct on-line motor starter consists of a circuit breaker for overload and short circuit protection. The overload protection is necessary to prevent burnout and to ensure maximum operating life of an electric motor. Under overload condition, an electric motor draws excessive current that causes overheating, affecting the motor winding insulation. Overload protection is required on the motor control to limit the amount of current drawn. A contactor. Magnetic contactor are electromagnetically operated switches that provide a safe and convenient means for connecting and interrupting circuits. It provides a safe, convenient and economical means of starting and stopping motors and have the advantage of being controlled remotely. The contactor has three main normal open contacts and auxiliary contacts used for control circuit. Start and stop push buttons. By means of two push buttons a motor can be controlled. The push button for start has usually a normal open contact and the push button for stop a normal closed contact that interrupts the control circuit in stopping the motor. Wiring diagram of a direct online starter. The main component of a direct online starter is the contactor coil. A safety transformer is stepping down the voltage for the control circuit. Usually 24 volts AC. The overload protection is used to disconnect the motor in case of a fault, interrupting the control circuit and disconnecting the motor from the power source. The working principle is the following. By pressing the push button start, the contactor is energized. The contactor's main contacts will close, but also the auxiliary contact that has the role of auto-maintaining the voltage on the coil since the push button is momentary. For stopping the motor only, a press of the push button stop is required. The contactor is de-energized and the motor will stop. Thank you for watching. Check out other interesting videos and don't forget to subscribe.